New introduction here. I want to get everybody's attention for what I feel will be a lucrative opportunity. It's the first ever NYSE marijuana IPO. We're making history here, and I feel this is just the first stepping stone in what is going to be the start of many IPOs on both the NASDAQ and the NYSE. I feel we're going to have a marijuana sector and marijuana ETFs in the future, and this is just step number one. If you are familiar with the industry, that's all I have to say. I know you're interested already. If this is new to you, this is going to be, in my opinion, the greatest financial opportunity in our lifetimes. This has never happened before. We have an established tens of billions dollar industry that the floodgates are going to open. It's becoming more and more legitimate legally, and this is just step number one. So Innovative Industrial Properties is the company. The ticker is IIPR. It is a real estate REIT that invests in medical marijuana facilities. And for this IPO, we have a new website, www.mjipo.com. I put together an hour of research video going through the filings, researching the company and the executives, and establishing a game plan, looking at some other IPOs and how they have traded. We're going to have a chat room with live Q&A during that day, Tuesday, November 22nd. And we'll also have the live webcam where I'll be showing our charts, going over, pointing out key support and resistance levels, looking at the volume that's coming in. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I hope you will join us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the charts. Hello, everyone. Checking oil. We'll start with the weekly, then we'll zoom on into the daily, down to the hourly, and check out what we've got going on. So, start of the week for the bulls. It's a bullish reversal candlestick on the weekly. We obviously have 4 trading days left to go, so the shape of this candlestick will change. But we're at a key level of support, and it was 42.77. We did dip below it, but we're still holding that support if we close above this. So let's put that line right there to the lows that we saw on that higher low pattern, and we're clearly seeing the bulls buy the dip to defend that support level. So they must close above 42.77 by the end of this week to be looking for a bullish reversal candlestick and maintaining the higher low pattern that has been in play since February. So zooming into the daily, the candlestick looks the same because we've only had 1 trading day of action. But after the bear flag saw lower lows, now the bulls are looking to try and turn things around. The MACD is closing in on a potential bullish cross. Must see a green day tomorrow to confirm the bullish reversal candlestick. And we're seeing commodities begin to level out, gold, natural gas, and oil. The dollar is on the verge of 13-year highs. If we break 151 on the dollar, that is what we're looking at. We are at a key level of resistance in the low 100 range. But it's very worth watching the dollar if you are playing commodities because there is a significant correlation between the two, and a strong dollar means weak commodities in general. So the bulls need a green day tomorrow. We're looking up at the resistance on the high of the last bounce attempt, 45.92, well away from that level currently. So the bulls at this point just focusing on getting a green day tomorrow to confirm this bullish reversal hammer candlestick and have this MACD get a lot closer to seeing that bull cross. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that quick turnaround. It all happened in one candlestick, really, so we haven't consolidated from that, and we need to form higher lows and higher highs to turn this trend around. Not much to see on the 4-hour chart. Let's zoom into the hourly. So big move. Again, not a ton of consolidation on the hourly either, although we did get over some key resistance levels here at 43.56 and 43.63. We'll look to consolidate. Bulls want to hold the low of this little candlestick of indecision at 43.24 support, and then again work on higher lows and higher highs to turn this trend around. So the bears are in control of the longer term trend. The bulls are trying to turn around the short term, and we've got these oil names: USO, bullish reversal candlestick, closing up near the high of the day, need confirmation tomorrow. UWTI, same deal. And then we'll look at the 10-day moving average resistances. So step 1 for the bulls, we'll see if they get that follow through. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you tomorrow.